Welcome to our comparison of two powerful motherboards designed for AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX and the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A. In this video, we will dive deep into their specifications, performance, and user experiences to help you choose the best option for your gaming or computing needs. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX is priced at $219 United States dollars, making it a more budget-friendly option compared to the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A, which retails for $249 United States dollars. This difference of 30 United States dollars could influence your decision, especially if you're looking for value without compromising on essential features. In terms of features, both motherboards support DDR5 memory and PCIe 5.0, but the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A offers more advanced options, including a superior audio solution with the ALC4080 codec and enhanced RGB lighting controls. The GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX, while feature-rich, lacks some of the premium enhancements found in the ASUS model. Cooling is crucial for performance, especially in gaming scenarios. The ASUS ROG Strix B650-A features a robust VRM heatsink design that provides better thermal management compared to the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX. This can lead to improved performance and stability during intense gaming sessions, making it a better choice for high-performance builds. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE B650 AORUS Elite AX and the ASUS ROG Strix B650-A offer excellent features for AMD Ryzen 7000 series processors. The GIGABYTE model provides great value for money, while the ASUS model excels in advanced features and cooling solutions. Depending on your budget and performance needs, either motherboard could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.